Hi folks, Dr. Leitner here, and this video is a short walkthrough of what I would like for Major Project 4, which could be the e-portfolio if you want to do it the way it's described, but I'm going to give you another option, which is to make a screencast of your Project 3 and just walk through your screencast walk through your Project 3 as a screencast. Kind of like what I do here, where I walk through the major projects and describe the purpose and describe how to do them. You would do a walkthrough of your Project 3 to someone who was interested in you or your project or something like that, but who didn't have the background. So, and this would be a short screencast, like less than 5 minutes, but the it serves the same purpose of the e-portfolio, which is to kind of showcase your research project and to explain the context and purpose and audience and all that. So I'm going to walk through the instructions here, and what I've done is I've dimmed out the ones that I will not be grading on. Because I didn't really cover them in the course. So parts of this, I'm kind of simplifying this and streamlining this a little bit. So I've dimmed out areas where you don't have to do anything and you will get full credit for that. Okay? So just as a background, what is the purpose of an e-portfolio? So it's an opportunity to collect the work you complete throughout your course and design it in a manner that highlights your work, your processes, and who you are as a writer. It is also an opportunity to craft your work for maximum rhetorical effect for your audience. So this is where you can talk a little bit about your purpose and your audience and why you did certain things to appeal to a specific audience. And I dimmed out this part about the medium of your e-portfolio. Okay, it does not have to be a PowerPoint or anything like that. It can just be, like I said, a screencast of you walking us through your major Project 3. If you want to do the PowerPoint and the slides and all that, feel free to do that. Some of you have been doing that the whole time. So feel free to use that. That could be easy. Sometimes it's hard to click around, I've noticed, on PowerPoint. If you're not just doing the right left, if you're actually clicking on links, sometimes it doesn't work that well. So I need to look at this assignment a little closer to make sure it's easy to use, but I'm going to take out the requirement that it's a PowerPoint. Okay, so again, it says websites here. Wherever you see websites, substitute your PowerPoint if you make one, or your screencast. Okay, so this is background of the purpose of e-portfolios. Okay, so things you need to do. One, you need to have around a 250 word author's note. So if you're speaking that's going to be around 2 minutes, maybe a little less, of writing about speaking about how you are, who you are as a writer, and how you approach this. And this should be kind of conversational in tone, as if you're talking to someone who you know, but explaining, okay, here's my writer personality, who I am in this. So then about the site is just more about your project. What is the purpose of it? Who is the audience? What's the context that this will be written? The parts 3 and 4, writing projects and remediations, I'm taking that out, giving everybody credit. Site accessibility, I'm taking that out, giving everybody's credit. And then the rest of this is just a checklist and a rubric of how it's going to be graded. And again, I've dimmed out the rows that you guys will get full credit for. So it's just your author's note and your about section and your presentation of Project 3 that you're going to be graded on. Okay, guys, it's really been a pleasure teaching you this semester. I'm sorry I haven't been as responsive as usual, but I've been affected by the virus just as many as you have. So, and I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you why I haven't performed as well as I would have liked as a teacher or a leader. But at any point, I will talk to you guys soon, and be sure to shoot me any questions that you have. Thank you.